Hello, this is Tim Marsh from Bell Copper Corporation. I'm here today pretty close to where the whole Perseverance concept started. We're in what I call the Kabba Mine Window. We're about a half a mile from the Kabba Mine proper, but this is a small patch of bedrock that sticks out of the sand and gravel in the bottom of the Big Sandy Valley. If you live long enough, you get to see some geology happen. And this rock wasn't here when I started working here. I'm not sure when it came down. You can see the trail it left coming off the cliff behind me, trail of light-colored broken rocks. But it tells a very interesting story that if I had paid closer attention to 22 years ago when I was first up here poking around, 25 years ago, I might have gotten to the point that we're at right now, which is drilling K-24, which I expect to be discovery of the Perseverance Porphyry. You see in this rock a dike, light-colored dike, intruding through a very old granite. This is about 1.6 billion year old Boriana Granodiorite. And this is 74 million year old, relatively young Laramide age porphyry. Looks like it's about a dacite in composition. This is a squirt of what was happening further to the east of us. There's a big intrusion buried under all the sand and gravel in the bottom of the Big Sandy Valley. That intrusion used to be 9 miles that way, plugged into what we call the root zone. And because of some faulting that happened starting about 18 million years ago here, the whole top of that system slid eastward out into the valley. And if I had paid closer attention to the way that dike, you can probably see it up there in the cliff, this dike, angling back to the east. It's pointing almost at K-24, where we're drilling right now. That would have led us back to the mother intrusion, the source of this little dike. And we might have gotten our answer a lot sooner. But I focused my drilling much further to the west, thinking that nothing could have moved this far. After drilling 23 other holes, it became pretty clear, especially after our discovery at Big Sandy. The whole top of this system moved 13 kilometers, about 9 miles off to the east, and the target is now east of us, considerably east of us. So you young budding geologists, if you're out exploring, take the strikes and dips, and these little porphyry squirts are likely to lead you back to the mother Pluton if there is one.